Our testers put more than 5 steam irons through their paces to find the perfect match for your home, whatever your budget. These are their top-rated models at a glance, but keep reading for their full reviews. There are many products available to choose irons, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best irons from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Per Steam Iron. Our professional steam iron 1700W heats in just 30 seconds. Stainless steel sole plate, true position axial holes direct the maximum amount of steam. Use it as a handheld steamer or with your ironing board. Our iron for clothes automatically shuts off and alerts you when the iron is left unmoved. Horizontally, 30 seconds, vertically, 8 minutes, tipped sideways, 30 seconds. Choose from preset fabric modes on this clothes iron: low, synthetics, viscose, polyester, medium, silk, wool, or high, cotton, linen. Use the spray button or burst of steam to add creases or remove stubborn wrinkles. This is an iron and steamer all in one. Use a burst of steam on drapes, hanging clothes, and as an upholstery cleaner. Iron uses regular tap water. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Iron. Get peace of mind with motion-sensitive technology that automatically shuts off the iron if left inactive on its heel, side, or sole plate. Wipe sole plate and outer surfaces with a soft cloth dampened with water. Engineered to prevent dripping by maintaining water at the proper temperature needed to generate steam. Volts, 120V. Wattage, 1200 W. Requires AC power. Easy fill translucent water tank. The enhanced sole plate is designed to glide smoothly across all fabric types for ease of use. This push-button mister helps moisten fabrics to tackle and smooth away deep wrinkles. Comfort grip handle ergonomically shaped to fit hand contours for comfort. Number 3. Rowenta Iron. Over 350 microholes that provide powerful steam diffusion for efficient and easy ironing. Durable and high quality, made with high-quality stainless steel and exceptional engineering, this iron delivers long-lasting performance day after day. Retractable cord. This steam iron is equipped with a retractable cord, making its usage and storage easier and safer than ever. Safety features. Auto-off feature ensures added safety by shutting off the clothes iron when left unattended. Use it in the most delicate fabrics like cotton, wool, poly, silk, linen, nylon. Comfortable and convenient, with a sleek modern design, easy-to-use controls, and a comfortable handle, this iron makes ironing a breeze. Number 4. Butyryl Iron. Ceramic-coated sole plate, non-stick and glides over all fabric smoothly, harder than stainless steel, super scratch-resistant, and more durable and easier to clean. Faster heating. Our steam iron reaches maximum temperature in less than a minute, much faster than traditional irons. Easy control thermostat dial. Simply select a fabric type and the iron will automatically heat to just the right temperature. Safety comes first. This iron comes with a 3-way automatic shutoff system that automatically turns off the iron after 8 minutes if left sitting vertical and after 30 seconds if left horizontal or tipped over. All pre-tested. Every iron is tested by our QA team before leaving the factory so you are assured quality right out of the box. Number 5. Sunbeam Iron. Made to travel, hot 2-trot travel iron 800 watt, dual voltage, 120V/240V, for local or international travel. Lightweight and portable at 1.2 pounds. Travel bag included. Powerful shot of steam feature, works horizontally or vertically for hanging garments, upholstery, or drapery. Easy to use, soft touch ergonomic handle keeps controls at your fingertips with an 8-foot cord to easily access outlets. Non-stick sole plate to easily glide over fabrics. Fabric select. Control dial offers the right heat for different fabrics including linen, cotton, silk, wool and more. Easy to maneuver, 8-foot cord allows for freedom of movement while ironing. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.